Hi and welcome to InnoTrans 2014. We jump aboard the Thales stand and take a look at some of the innovative solutions we've developed for transportation systems, mainline and urban. Let's take a look. Okay, first off, let's take a look at the Thales Ultrac ETCS system. Today, over 18,500 kilometers of track are managed by Thales' ETCS system. I'm going to ask Torsten and Roland to explain some of the highlights of this particular part of our stand.
Right behind me, you see the Thales stand, the ETCS solutions area. What we offer here are building blocks for ETCS from level 1 to level 2 to level 3. We have hardware solutions, software solutions. We put them together for the customer needs, and then we offer a whole turnkey solution that goes into the customers.
ETCS level 1 hardware is installed on the field close to the signal to get the information from the signal and forward this information to the local driver in the cab. This hardware is normally installed completely autonomous, and now here with this application we can remote access to this decentralized installation via this centralized application and do remote diagnosis and also remote configuration for the equipment in the field.
Right, next, let's take a look at the Aramis Enhanced Traffic Management System. Now, this has got over 3,000 control desks in operation, which is managing over 72,000 kilometers of track. I'm going to ask Ian, when he's finished with his customers, to explain to us how this works.
This is the Thales Traffic Management System called Aramis. It's a way of being able to visualise and plan and predict the location of trains much more accurately than we do today. It provides much better information to the operator to make better decisions based on the expectation of what the train service is going to do. It also gives a much better view of the future and the current train plan, which can then be used to feed other systems such as driver advisory speed systems, giving much tighter control of how we operate our trains. The main benefits of the system are around performance, because we can recover to a train service during disruption much faster, but also capacity, being able to use the existing infrastructure without having to make expensive works on changing the infrastructure itself.
Okay, for our next stop, let's take a look at the Ultrac CBTC system. And this is the world's leading system for urban and metro train control. Over 3 billion passengers are carried by Ultrac each year. I'm going to ask Ian to explain to us some of the latest developments we've put in place at Ultrac.
We have here our Edmonton Driver Training Simulator. This is a new development which we've put into place to train drivers on CBTC operation leading up to revenue in November in Edmonton.
Now let's take a look at tramways and light rail. I'm going to ask Feliciano to explain to us how Thales' fully integrated approach manages tram networks in the most energy efficient fashion possible.
Thales has a strong reference based in Bergen, Florence, Dubai, Manchester, where we combine Wi-Fi and RFID technology to provide to the end customer a flexible solution for priority management.
Okay, now let's take a look at Thales' systems for integrated fare collection. We have over 50 million passengers each day using these systems in 100 cities worldwide. That equates to over $20 billion of revenue secured by Thales revenue collection systems on a yearly basis. And I'm going to ask Etienne to explain to us how this works.
Our new gate PG600 accepts any traditional ticketing cards. Our gate accepts mobile phones and mobile ticketing. Again, you just tap the gate and get access to the network. All transactions are recorded from the gate and sent to the back office. Every transaction is securely stored in the back office. The architecture is an open architecture that allows more service for the passenger.
Now as the market moves towards adopting open systems and open architectures, customers are also becoming increasingly aware of some of the security questions that may arise as a result of that. I'm going to ask Alexander to place some of these concerns in more context.
You can see a geographical information picture, also a picture about the business processes and the vulnerabilities there. The benefits for the customer is that operational people and decision makers can quick and easy make their decision if there's something bad happen in their infrastructure.
So I'm here now with Simone from Thales Germany. Simone, you've seen the show. What do you think of it so far?
It's been great so far. We just had the German delegation with the German Minister of Transport visiting us here. And we also had the French and the Spanish Minister of Transport here today.
Sounds fantastic.
Yeah, it's been great.
So why don't you come and see us at InnoTrans 2014 and find out how every area matters we deliver.